So hi everyone, welcome back to another new section. In this section we are going to learn about client-side attacking. Inside client-side attacking we are going to cover XSS, which is cross-site scripting. So before going deep into it, first we need to understand what is as cross-site scripting and what is the origin of it. So okay guys, so if we talk about the origin of cross-site scripting, so you would often hear that the term cross-site scripting and JavaScript used simultaneously. So JavaScript is a client-side scripting language introduced by Netscape in 1995. So the main purpose of JavaScript was to make the web browser perform some task at the client side. Although JavaScript can be used for other purposes too, it is most commonly used in the web browser to implement the client-side script that can be used to alter the web pages and display it on the browser. For example, like displaying a pop-up error message, dialog box, when a wrong value is entered by the user, or showing ads on the web pages. So some hackers soon found out that using JavaScript, they could read data from web pages loaded in adjacent windows or frames. So these malicious websites could cross the boundary and interacts with content loaded on an entirely different web pages. So that is not related to this its domain actually. So this tricks was named as a cross-site scripting attack. So to block this attack, Netscape introduced the same origin policy under which the web browser permits JavaScript loads in one web page to only access other web page if they are from the same domain. So in other words, we can say that a malicious user could not use JavaScript to read data from any arbitrary web page. So in early 2000s, so the JavaScript attack becomes most famous for making the web page load malicious script in the web browser rather than reading contents from the web pages loaded in the adjacent frame. So although the aim of cross-site scripting attack has changed over the years and the name remains the same, and therefore some people get confused as to why it is called as cross-site scripting. So over the years, cross-site scripting attack has been using JavaScript to perform malicious activities such as we can say malware sting, port scanning, and keylogging. So XSS attack can also be used to inject VB script, ActiveX, or Flash into a vulnerable web page. Since JavaScript is so widely used, so we would also use JavaScript to demonstrate example in this particular section. So guys, in the next lecture, we are going to see what is JavaScript and how it looks like, what are the payloads that we are going to use mostly in this particular section.